What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. What's up, family? So today we are going to be learning how to flip omelets. Whether you want to do this for yourself to impress your girlfriend, or whether you're trying to get on the line to become an omelet chef, these are the 3 steps that I did to help myself learn how to flip omelets the best way, and hopefully it will help you guys, okay? So the first thing that we are going to do is use a frozen pancake or a waffle. The reason why, you're not going to make any mess at all, okay? So the first thing you want to do is use a frozen pancake or waffle, that way you don't make any mess. Now, the object of flipping an omelet is the flick of the wrist. You don't want to use your fingers, you want to just use your wrist. So first thing I tell anybody is try to do this at least 10 times straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I've been doing this for a while, so I didn't mess up, but however, this is a good way where you don't make any mess on the floor, okay? So the next step, part 2, is very easy. This is what you can do all day walking around your home. So the next thing you want to do is either take a spatula. Any spatula will do. The width is almost the same, it doesn't matter. But what makes this so cool is that you want to make sure that this is the human, the person, and the ground is the lava. So with a smaller surface, it's going to help you with your technique as well. So you want to do this 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And once you have that done, once you got that done, now you can graduate to the next step, the next stage. Quick facts. The earliest omelets were believed to be originated in ancient Persia. According to Breakfast, a history, they were indistinguishable from the Iranian dish kuku sapsi. Pretty cool. Third step into the practice of flipping omelets like Dean. We already graduated from flipping it in our hand, and we graduated from flipping it in our spatula. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to try to flip this in our pan. Now it's a little bit different because the pan has lips. Yeah, this is worn out. This is actually a souvenir of mine. It's been with me for a long time. So what we want to do is flip this 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now this is very important. You want to hold on to the pan. I've seen people flip the pan out their hands and go everywhere. Try to focus. I've seen people throw it up and the eggs go everywhere and they're trying to catch it. Just a simple flick of the wrist. Now, real quick, I'm gonna do something special with my hands. So I take my ring off, right? And I put it here. I'm done. Okay, let's get to it. I want to give you some common knowledge. If you don't know how to take care of your non-stick frying pan, they're going to come with instructions. But the main thing you want to do is make sure that before the first use, you want to wash it in warm water, and you want to put a little bit of oil on it. Never ever use any hard objects on your non-stick, or they will end up looking like this over time, okay? And without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so non-stick, you want to pour just a little bit of oil. We'll put some more butter in here. I got my Himalayan pink. I got my black pepper. I already took 2 eggs and I whisked them up already. We're going to get this evenly across the pan. We're going to insert our eggs. So, all right. Now you do want to make sure that your pan is on medium heat, not high. You will destroy your pan. But now as you see over here, come follow me, guys. So as you can see here, we're waiting for this right here to start. See how it's getting hard right there? And what I like to do is take it, lift it, and let some of the egg go in there. Bring it back down. And that's pretty much what it is. Just be patient with your omelets. You're trying to make this for somebody. Now, I did show you guys how to make an omelet without flipping it in the air. That's my very first video. You want to see that, look in the description in the section below. Okay. All right, come back over here, you guys. So you guys can see that. Take it here, and you want to dip it back down. All right, so now if you guys want to know, pretty much what I'm doing is that as it's hardening up, I'm getting the top of it. I'm doing this, letting it loose, and then as I lift the egg, I'm dipping it and letting the uncooked egg go back up under. That's what we're doing. All right, so let's look back at our omelet here. As you guys can see, I'm gonna tip it back under. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and do what we've been trying to practice all day. And when your omelet does that, just go back to the drawing board. Okay. Now, all we do here, boom. We're gonna let this cook on this side. Don't worry about that. That's the part that nobody's gonna see. We're gonna cook this for a couple seconds. Now, it's been cooking on the other side, so you know that's done. We only wanna cook this for about 15, 20 seconds max. Now what we're gonna do here, we're gonna flip that over. Look how beautiful that looks. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip it. Voila. Very basic, very simple. We will get into putting cheese and making a fully loaded omelet or a Western omelet for some people from other parts of the country. And there you guys have it. This is how you can flip an omelet like Ddins. And hold on. All right, you guys. So now let's go ahead and have a taste. It's still hot. You guys see the steam, so I'm gonna take my time. All right. So hopefully you guys got the 3 ways on how to flip an omelet. Make sure you go step by step. First with your hand, then you want to do it with the spatula. It makes it a little bit more difficult because you're working with a small surface. And then you want to try it with the pan before you actually go live with real food. Okay? So if you guys like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at the bottom right. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our first, Let's make it to our first 100 subscribers, Ddins. Until our next food adventure, peace.